The first key feature I look for are the vertical asymptotes. And here there's two vertical asymptotes shown in the graph. The first one is at x equals 4, and that will correspond to a factor of x minus 4 in the denominator. The second vertical asymptote is at x equals -1, and that will correspond to a factor of x plus 1. And remember, those factors will be put in the denominator. Second, I like to find the x-intercepts. Here there's a first x-intercept at the point 2, 0. Now that will correspond to a factor in the numerator of x minus 2. And the second x-intercept is at the point -4, 0. That will correspond to a factor of x plus 4. Those factors are going to be placed in the numerator. When they're 0, they make the function equal to 0. That's why they're x-intercepts. Then the third thing I look for are any horizontal asymptotes. And here there is one, and that horizontal asymptote is at y equals 2. So the y equals 2, that 2 will correspond to a ratio of coefficients between the numerator and the denominator. So with all of that, I can begin to assemble a rational function. I'm going to call this one f of x, and I'm going to start by putting that coefficient of 2 there, which I got from the horizontal asymptote. And then in the numerator, I'm going to put the two factors that I found using the x-intercepts, x minus 2 and x plus 4. And in the denominator, I'm going to put the other two factors that I found using the vertical asymptotes, x minus 4 and x plus 1. Now there's one other step I need to do, and that is to plug in the y-intercept to see if that matches or if I need to alter the rational function in any way. Here, the y-intercept is at the point 0, 4. So if I plug in a 0 for x in my formula, I should get 4 if that equation is correct. So here, if I plug in 0 for x, I'm going to get in the numerator 2 times 0 minus 2 times 0 plus 4. In the denominator are factors of 0 minus 4 and 0 plus 1. This will simplify to 2 times -2 times 4 over -4 times 1, which equals in the numerator -16, and in the denominator -4, and that will simplify to 4. So I checked 0, 4, that checks out, that is a point on this function, so therefore I know that this function does work out.